You know how I know you haven't worked here that long? They're just still eating waffles. I don't. It's like my first time. Every time I eat a waffle, people look at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, where's the Waffle House? I feel like I have to. It's like going to IHOP and getting a burger. Oh. Whoa! Oh yeah, I do. I like my baby crispy. Look at her. Now that's scattered. Welcome back to the chat. Do you like yours that crispy? Yeah. Okay, foodie. Okay, foodie. Gotta go. I gotta cook the order right now. Ah, let me stay out of your way. Actually, I'll just cook my egg. They only showed up when I did. Ouch. You guys do the waffles here? Okay. It makes life easy for me. I like to drop my little waffles. How do you guys like your eggs cooked? Let me know. Eggs look good, thanks. So I don't do anything but get drinks and bag it. Alright. I'll take it. Eggs look good. Thank you, cool G404. Hey, should I put chili on top of the,